Hi guys, we've got Barbara with Peace, Love, and Smalti here, and just going to do a little quick demonstration on how to pick the colors for working with a portrait.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, I'm Barbara Dybala, and I just discovered this a couple of weeks ago, and I brought it to the conference to show. And that is, if you take a Peace, Love, and Smalti color board, and you take an X-Acto knife, and you write around it like so, and then you can pop it off. But what's great is that it has a piece of paper on the back side, and it would be that I pop one that doesn't have it really well on there. But what happens next is that you can take your pen and write the number on the back of it, so you know what color this is. So this now becomes my color board. There's all of these colors in here. Now, I have taken a photo of my sweet husband who was dancing with me. See my hand?
Yeah.
And I took it into Photoshop. This piece of paper tells exactly what I did to it.
And this is something that you can get on your site, right?
I'm going to upload this page so they can pull a PDF on peaceloveandsmalti.com. But if you can see closely in here, I've identified 8 values from the lightest to the darkest. And I built in this area my 8 values, and now I'm playing with the colors out of my color box over here that fit within each value that I see within this face. This face helps identify the location of it, but this face is the face that I'm actually going back to in a reference of color. Now, I'm sticking somewhat true to color here on this one just to simplify this action. You see this going down or up in value? Notice also in my computer test, I studied in this area here that I need 4 values of blue. Here's again the values that I will identify, but here are the colors. So now I'm going to go in my box and locate colors that fit in the value. The beauty of this is that I can pick one up when I'm ready to order, turn it over, and see that, I don't have my glasses on, this is I think 2019, and then I can go to Peace, Love, and Smalti and put that number 2019 in the search box, and it'll go straight to this color. I know I need a 1/4 pound. I just click on it and it's just easy to order. So hopefully this helps simplify people making color decisions on their work, and also simplifying how to order and get what you need. And remember, we have free shipping on orders over $100.
Wonderful.
Thanks.
So let's do a quick pan of all the beautiful colors right here. So can you explain the different palettes? Because you were saying that there were 2 different kinds, is that correct?
Yes. We have, they call it a modern palette. And they also have another palette, it's called antique. The antique has a larger amount of recycled glass in it.
Okay.
It's very easy to cut. And the modern is higher in gloss.
Okay. And this is cut using nippers, is that correct?
I cut it using nippers. I'm not or so I'm just a regular mosaic artist, and these are my color magic markers. But I would love one day to go to Orsoni and study, but I'm homegrown.
Well, these are absolutely beautiful. Thank you for the demonstration.
You're welcome.
Keep going around, show all the different choices.
Yeah.